today we're going to do a biscuits and gravy casserole. I've already took 2 pounds of sausage, pork sausage, fried it loose, added a little bit of red pepper at the end, just like the recipe states, and now I'm going to start working on the gravy. You need a heavy saucepan. This has got a heavy bottom to it. I've already got it on low, and I melted a stick of butter. And now I'm going to slowly whisk in the flour. So let me get that started. I'm going to go ahead and add my salt, my onion powder, and my black pepper. So we just need like a teaspoon of salt. The onion powder needs to be about half a teaspoon. So this is thick enough, still quite thin, but I'm just going to go ahead and do what I got to do next. So you need to put some of the sausage that you cooked earlier in here. Don't put too much because you need it for the rest of the casserole. So gonna put a little bit. Let me get another spoon to stir it up with. Okay. That'll help flavor the gravy just a little bit. Okay, so you need to get your casserole dish, spray it with a little bit of cooking spray. Take 1/8 count can of Grand's biscuits, cut them up into quarters. So you'll cut them to where there's 4 little pieces. Set this in your pan, okay? So set this aside. Then you need to crack your eggs in a separate bowl. You need to mix in heavy cream. Okay, mix that up. You're not going to cook it. It should go raw on top of your raw biscuits, okay? Alright. Now, set this aside. I'm going to bring back the biscuits. And then the first thing that's going to go on top of these, we're going to do it in layers. You're going to top them with sausage and cheese. Okay. So there's that. Top it with, so I'm going to have to split up the sausage that I've got because I'm going to be making 2 separate pans of this. So sausage, okay, that's good enough. And then we need to do cheese, okay, that's good. Then after that, you're going to pour the egg mixture over. And like I said, it's got to be half because I'm going to be making double. And I want to use 2 separate pans so it cooks evenly. Okay, so I'm going to take that and save it. And then my gravy has been sitting over here thickening even more. And I need to put half in that. So this is going to be half the gravy. Okay. A little bit right there. Okay. Then we will sprinkle some more cheese on top. Alright, and then you're going to put that into the oven, uncovered, 30 or 35 minutes. Don't forget, all your measurements will be below, and I will show you what this looks like when it comes out. Okay, y'all, so this is what it looks like when it comes out of the oven. I did let it sit here and cool just a little bit. When it puffs up like this, that's when it's done. You don't want to leave it in too long because your cheese will burn. But it looks like it's done to me, so we're going to get it and plate it up. See y'all next time.